So here's a nice close-up look of the plush fleece top. It's very soft and comfortable for all of you cold sleepers out there. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Bare Home Pillow Top Mattress Pad. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail packaging right here. Check it out. Everything looks great. So we have the king size mattress pad, but this is available in multiple sizes from twin all the way up to California king. And this is actually a reversible mattress pad. So one side's going to be a nice soft plush fleece and the other side's going to be a nice smooth microfiber. So your pick on which one you want to use. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the mattress pad. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have a nice Bare customer service and contact card with their phone number, email address, and a nice message from Joshua, the founder and CEO. Next, you can see we have our plush fleece mattress pad right here. So that's the side that we're looking at right now. And this also has 360-degree elastic. So you can see that right here. Very easy to fit around our bed and mattress. And if we go ahead and we pull this section out, you may notice we could flip it around and now we have our very smooth and nice microfiber side. So again, you get to pick and choose which option you want. Do you want to use the microfiber or do you want to use the fleece? Now let's go ahead, let's get this installed on our mattress. So you can see we have the Pillow Top mattress pad installed on our 12-inch king memory foam mattress. This has a universal fit for mattresses up to 20 inches. And you may notice first up, we have it with the plush fleece side up top. Let's go ahead, let's look at that up close. So here's a nice close-up look of the plush fleece top. It's very soft and comfortable for all of you cold sleepers out there. You'll really enjoy having the option to use this side as needed. So now you can see we have it flipped over to the other side, and this is our smooth microfiber surface. Everything looks great. You may have noticed too in the bottom left-hand corner, we have a couple of tags with our care instructions. So we can machine wash this on cold with like colors and tumble dry low. So here's the smooth microfiber up close. Everything feels great as you would expect. This is a fantastic mattress pad, giving us a ton of flexibility to choose between using the microfiber side or if we want to use the fleece side. And with up to 20 inches of support, you can use this on a wide variety and range of mattresses. And the 360 elastic is a nice touch as well. It's going to stay in place for a very long time. So count me impressed with the versatility and functionality of this mattress pad. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.